Bit of a classic on the menu today. You're going to make a chip butty or a French fry butty or sandwich. I'm using brown sauce. A lot of you won't like that. A lot of you use ketchup, but I'm a brown sauce man. Let's go and do it. Okay, so I've now got these in some cold water on the cooker. Just get some salt in there. Just going to bring them to the boil, and once it starts to boil, I'm going to let them go for 2 minutes, then we're going to drain them off. Okay, so there you go. So they've just been going for like 2 minutes, so they're still quite hard, but just had a little blanch. Drain them off, we're back at the cooker. Okay, so I've got oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Now, my favourite chip shop in London is the Friar's Delight in Holborn, and they use beef fat, which I think makes their chips and their fish taste really good. But I'm using this oil today. And then let's get one of them. That's looking beautiful. In they go. And you can cook them as, you know, get them as brown or dark. Some people like them nice and light, some people like them a bit darker. You know what you're doing here. See in a few minutes. Okay, and that's kind of where I like mine to be. That was about 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to get them out onto some paper towel. Then I'll show you the next bit. Okay, so I've got those onto some paper towel. Got a little bit of the oil off. What we're going to do now is add some salt, plenty of salt, and then we're going to add vinegar. You can use a Sarson's malt vinegar if you want, or a white vinegar, up to you, but you do need salt and vinegar. See that steam coming off, lovely. Just throw them around, then we can move on. Okay, so white bread, preferably white bread, sliced bread, with a nice thick layer of butter on it. The butter's really, really important. Simply, we're just going to layer in a load of our chips in here. Then when I was a kid, we used to skip school, and then we'd go, one of us would buy a portion of chips with our money, the other one would buy a loaf of bread, and we'd hollow the middle out, throw the kind of middle away, and then we would fill it with chips and just eat it. That was the kind of, you know, you needed a partner to do that. We didn't have enough money to buy both. There you go, chips in there. Now, this is where we're going to get some disagreements. I always go with HP brown sauce. Some people, they love ketchup, but not me. I love brown sauce on there. And plenty of it. But yeah, some people would like ketchup on this one. But that looks divine, I love that. Right, then again, we've got, there you go, that goes straight on there. And that's it. Okay, and there you go. So, you know, pretty essential for me. I mean, people do it differently, but white bread, lots of butter. The butter really works. When the hot chips get onto that butter, that's what kind of makes it. And of course, salt and vinegar. There you go, chip butty.